the floor, man, you sure carry the load. I used to own the floor, man, you sure carry the load. But it could take the mud, sand on and off the road. Give me a four-wheel drive, I'm going to go. 2 gun racks and a 4-bed. You paint it red, you paint it white. Long as I can drive it on a Saturday night. And when I die, I'll be up in the bed. Makes me look nice so I don't see much. The Lord or the devil don't snatch me up. As long as I can get there in my pickup truck. I used to own a Dodge, the engine always seemed to run hot. Used to own a Dodge, the engine always seemed to run hot. And the brakes never worked, so I drove it back to the lot. Now I drive a Chevy since 1971. Now I drive a Chevy since 1971. Blue passport and the Dodge, and you ought to see her run. Give me a four-wheel drive, I'm going low. 2 diamond racks and a 4-bed. You can paint it red, you can paint it white. As long as I can drive it on a Saturday night. And when I die, I'll be up in the bed. Makes me looking back so I don't see what's ahead. The Lord or the devil don't snatch me up. As long as I can get there in my pickup truck. Give me a four-wheel drive, I'm going home. 2 gun racks and a 4-bed. You can paint it red, you can paint it white. Long as I can drive it on a Saturday night. And when I die, I'll be up in the bed. Makes me look back so I don't see what's ahead. And Lord or the devil don't snatch me up. As long as I can get there in my pickup truck. Yeah, as long as I can get there in my pickup truck. Thank you so much, folks. We enjoy it.
Thank you. That was much more fun in front of people.